Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to permanently delete your TikTok account. Don't waste your time, let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok official app and now tap on down right corner just profile, and now tap on top right corner just the three horizontal line, and now tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings, and now tap on deactivate or delete account, and now delete account permanently, and then select this option, otherwise skip. And now you can download of your TikTok all information, otherwise by continue and then continue. See here, your account will be deactivated for 30 days and you won't be visible to the public during deactivation, and you can reactivate your account anytime. After 30 days, your account and data will be deleted permanently. So read this article again and then continue. And now check your email. See here, my TikTok code 6000045, and insert this. And just tap on delete account. Your account will be permanently delete after 30 days. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video. Thank you. Bye bye.